This is how you calculate pips on gold. Head over to TradingView.com, then simply click on the long or short position tool right over here. And for this example, we're calculating pips for entering a long position. Now, put the long position tool on the chart, and let's say that you want to put a 20 pip stop loss. Then, all you gotta do is drag your stop loss right over here, just like this. So, to calculate pips on gold, you always multiply your stop loss or take profit by 10. So if you put your stop loss at 2, that means that we have a 20 pip stop loss. But how do we calculate how much money we risk with a 20 pip stop loss? That all depends on the size of your lot size. Here you have an easy example to follow to make things clearer. Using a 0.01 lot size equals 10 cents per pip, which means that, with a 20 pip stop loss you would risk $2 a trade. And, using a 0.1 lot size equals $1 per pip, with a 20 pip stop loss you would risk $20 a trade. Using 1 lot size equals $10 per pip, with a 20 pip stop loss you would risk $200 for that particular trade. Make sure to always adapt your risk depending on your account size and trading setup. I hope that you found this video useful. And if you did, please smash that subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching, take care.